ZeBrand is an AI-driven platform that helps brands visualize their vision and strategy with brand guidelines. ZeBrand will help you solve your branding issues, such as verbalizing and organizing your brand strategy. Now, let me show you how to use ZeBrand. First of all, before you sign up, let us know a few things about your brand. What is your industry and target? And what kind of personality does your brand have? The questionnaire won't take more than 3 minutes, and after this, your brand portal will be generated. After registration is complete, we will ask you a further series of questions to build your brand guidelines and brand DNA so that we can build your brand framework. Creating a set of brand guidelines allows you to verbalize your vision, use it internally and externally, keep your brand elements consistent, craft a brand story, and more. By establishing your brand font, photography, and color palette, you can bring your brand to life. The brand DNA section reflects the core of your brand. This section will help you define and understand your brand's mission, target audience, and what makes it unique from other existing brands. Don't know where to start? Not sure what brand strategy includes? Well, don't worry, we've got your back. Professional brand strategists will be there to advise you in one-on-one brand coaching sessions. Each session can be booked flexibly whenever the time is best for you. This service also welcomes all levels and abilities of branding knowledge, so those of you who are new to branding can begin your branding journey at ease. ZeBrand removes the time-consuming and costly barriers to branding and provides services to create a world where anyone can embark on branding and express what they want to do. Why not start now?